Math time with Miss Hartzell. Mid-Module 7, check for understanding. I can show what I know about collecting data, counting money, and solving word problems.
All right, my online math friends, today is the day. You are going to be showing what you know about collecting data, so bar graphs and picture graphs, about counting money, all the different things that we've learned about counting money, making different coin combinations, making the fewest coins, making change from different totals, or trying to find out how much an item costs based on information that you're given in a word problem. So it might feel challenging, and that is okay. It's okay to say, this is the pits. I'm having a difficult time. This is a challenge. It's okay to think that. It's also okay to think, I feel really confident. I know I'm going to do a great job today, and I feel ready. Either of those feelings are okay. But what we all are going to do is we're all going to critically think, persevere, and not give up, because this knowledge is definitely important for your future. It's very important for you to know how to count money and how to pay for things and know that you're getting the right change back, because you don't want people trying to take money from you and trying to trick you. You've got to be smarter than them. So let's use perseverance today, and let's pause and think what we're going to do to show perseverance while we take this second online show me what you know. You've got this, friends. I believe in you, and I hope you believe in yourself too.
Learning online can be really challenging sometimes. And today you have a big challenge of showing what you know about data, money, and solving word problems. So pause and think for a moment. How are you going to show perseverance today? What can you say to yourself, or what can you do to make sure that you don't give up and that you persevere? When you're finished thinking, press play.
Hey friends, so I just wanted to give you a quick pep talk before you start your second online show me what you know. I just want to say that all of your teachers at DCS are so proud of you. You could have just seen this challenge of learning online and said, I'm not doing that, I give up. I'm just gonna watch TV and do nothing. But thankfully, that is not what you did. You saw that there was a problem, you saw that there was a challenge, and you said, let's face it. And you are doing an amazing job. If you're watching this video, then that means that you are taking the actions and the steps towards bettering yourself and bettering your family and bettering our future. So be proud of yourself. I know that today is going to feel challenging because you have a lot of word problems to solve. But don't forget the steps that you have for solving word problems. Number one, read it, then understand it. Notice the information that will help you solve for the answer. Model it using real objects or modeling using a picture on a piece of paper, and then find the solution. Once you think you found it, check your work. Make sure that you've answered the question that matches and goes along with the problem. Take your time. If you start feeling like you need to take a break, then take a break. No one's making you take this show me what you know in a certain amount of time. If you need to take a quick brain break, then do that, because you're allowed to. When we face challenges, it can be overwhelming, and we need to take care of ourselves. So remember what you've learned about picture graphs and bar graphs and how to read them. Look for important parts of those two different graphs, your titles and the categories. And if you're looking at a bar graph, you're going to be looking for count scales and to notice what kind of count scale is being used so that you can find out how many is in each category. For your picture graphs, you want to make sure that you look at the legend because each picture might represent a different number. Then, when you're answering your questions about money, remember all of the skills that you've learned online. Or if you have some skills from the past, use those too. Math is awesome because you can solve problems so many different ways. The way I solve a problem might be different than the way you solve it, but we both get to this right answer. And it's because we're using this and we're making this brain work. Growth is important for humans. So grow your brains today, face the challenge, do your best, because I'm not lying to you when I say you are the best. I am proud of you. I know your parents are proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too. Take your time today and show us what you know about data, money, and solving word problems. You got this.